Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head safety comparison between two electric pickups, the Tesla's Cybertruck and Ford's F-150 Lightning. Both have just been tested by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, so let's see how they performed. The IIHS uses what's called the moderate overlap front test. In this scenario, the truck crashes into a barrier at 40 miles per hour, with only 40% of its front end making contact. It's designed to simulate a common head-on collision, and it highlights how well both front and rear passengers are protected. For the Tesla Cybertruck, things look promising. Models built after April 2025 earned a good rating in this crash test. The driver is well protected, and rear passengers also benefit from solid safety. Tesla made structural changes earlier this year that improved how the front underbody absorbs impact, and those updates clearly paid off. The Ford F-150 Lightning tells a different story. While the driver enjoys good protection, the rear seat is a serious concern. IIHS found a high risk of chest, head, and neck injuries for rear passengers, partly because the lap belt slipped from the pelvis to the abdomen, raising the risk of internal injuries. This weakness led the Lightning to earn a poor rating overall in the same test. Both trucks performed well in pedestrian crash prevention, showing that their advanced driver assist systems can help avoid collisions in the first place. But when it comes to protecting occupants in a serious crash, the Cybertruck clearly outperforms the Lightning. So, if you're choosing between these two electric giants and safety is your top priority, Tesla's Cybertruck currently has the edge, though Ford's Lightning remains a strong player in other areas, like practicality and familiarity. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.